My name is Stephen A. King, civil rights attorney. I specialize in the area of civil rights, criminal defense, and some personal injury. I take pride in advocating for my clients in the courtroom. I've done over 125 jury trials, and I can sit here with you and tell you something about every single human being that I represented. I'm honored to be an attorney. Before I became a lawyer, I was a teacher, and I always took pride in educating people and trying to create a vision for a better tomorrow. And if I can be the influence of someone, if I can connect, if I can create a dynamic situation to make somebody's life completely different, that's what I wanted to do. To be a civil rights attorney, it means everything to me. It means having a passion, having a purpose, and having a desire to confront systemic inequality. Things that are designed to pull us down, we can overcome that. Because somebody has to be a leader in every single community. And I'm fortunate to be from the Black and brown community. Because guess what? When they look at me, they see themselves. They see a reflection of themselves. Now, if I step here, and I step here, and I step here, that means that they can see themselves progressing. So I started off as a public defender. My office was the courtroom. I started off doing indigent criminal defense, specifically for Los Angeles County. And so these are people who they find themselves in very confrontational situations. And then I used to having somebody stand up for them, representing people that had no money, that had no hope. There was times I would lose an argument or lose a motion. And the guys would be back there like, man, I've never heard anybody stand up for me like that in my life. You have to be a voice for the voiceless. And you have to create hope, you have to create purpose to represent what equality and what justice meant to those who otherwise wouldn't be afforded justice. Understanding your purpose means you really have to dig deep within yourself. And you have to feel why you connect with this work. Why do you have this calling? Why does it matter to you? When you're speaking to a jury, you're speaking to a judge, if you're not really connected emotionally with what you're saying, it loses its effect. You might as well just send an email. But as attorneys, as trial attorneys, you need to change people's lives. Sometimes you have a client who has no other avenue to turn but to trust in you. How much am I really willing to do to put in for somebody who's a perfect stranger and may not even be paying me? Maybe the court is paying me. And guess what? I get paid either way. But the impact on this person's life, it really matters. What we do, what we say, how we act, it all matters. One mistake could make a drastic difference in the outcome of someone's life. This is something that's been embedded within Dan Ambrose. The ability and the desire to make people better, to help themselves so they can help others make a difference in their lives. If you trust and you believe and you desire to make a difference for your client and for this world, he's going to make sure it happens. For Trial Lawyers University, it's important for me to be a part of that because it's important for me to be a part of that growth. It helps me stop focusing on myself and focus on somebody else. What's most important to me about teaching is the fact that I can give back, I can honor them and say, I know where you're at, and I can help you get better. There was a time where people wouldn't share like this. And what Dan has brought together is sort of a community to say, hey, get up off your feet. Let's get critiqued by each other. Let's help each other grow. Let's watch each other grow. Let's be there for each other. There's a reason that you've been chosen for this particular task. It's very hard to do on your own. When you have programs like this, then you're not reflecting so much on yourself, you're reflecting on your purpose. We lift each other up because we need each other, and our clients need us.